This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Diane Norris. Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom 2B ranch-style home in the sought-after Phoenix Crossing community of Eatonton, Georgia. This beautiful home offers an open-concept floor plan, great room with electric fireplace adding warmth and ambience, spacious kitchen featuring a large island with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, master suite with ensuite bathroom and large walk-in closet, generous pantry, laundry room and mud room, water softener and filtration system, double garage. Stunning outdoor living spaces feature a covered front porch, screened-in rear porch and deck adorned with a gazebo and a separate grilling area. Your own private oasis. The backyard has an adorable 10x16 storage shed equipped with electricity and air conditioner, ideal for a craft room, workshop, or man cave. Expansive backyard with professional landscaping and fully fenced. Could be the perfect place for that pool you always wanted. Access to a community pool, clubhouse, and playground. This home combines comfort, functionality, and style, making it a perfect choice for those seeking quality living in a vibrant community. Don't miss the opportunity to make this exceptional property your new home. For more information, review